Welcome back to Product Insider. I'm Danny, and today we're taking a closer look at a cutting-edge solution for industrial computing, the brand new Axiomtek eBOX100A. The eBOX100A is a compact, high-performance embedded system with an operating temperature of -40 to 60 degrees Celsius, built to thrive in the most extreme conditions. That makes it an ideal choice for factory automation, industrial IoT, and edge computing. What makes this little box stand out? Intel N97 processor, up to 16 GB DDR5 RAM, and multiple storage options ensure smooth, high-speed performance. TPM 2.0 is also included for enhanced security and reliability. And check this out, 2.5 GB LAN ports for blazing fast data transfer. Whether you need 2 or 4 ports, the eBOX100A delivers. They are perfect for demanding computing tasks and real-time data collection and analysis across diverse industrial environments. With 9 to 36 VDC input and ignition control, the eBOX100A ensures stable and efficient power management. The Phoenix-type power connector enhances reliability in industrial environments. Meanwhile, the USB power on-off control simplifies maintenance and prevents accidental shutdowns, ensuring seamless operation in critical industrial environments. The eBOX100A supports COM, CAN, and DIO expansion options by a PCIe mini card to meet diverse application needs. Whether you need robust industrial communication or enhanced network flexibility, this system is designed to grow with your needs. Installation is simple with wall mount, DIN rail, or VESA mount, making it easy to integrate into any setup. It is ideal for edge computing and industrial control systems. So, whether you're upgrading your automation systems or stepping into industrial IoT, the Axiomtek eBOX100A is ready to go. Want to learn more? Visit Axiomtek website or contact our sales team now. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech insights. See you next time.